The battlefield is a scene of constant chaos. The winner will be the one who controls that chaos, both his own and the enemy's. Courage is like love. It must have hope for nourishment. A soldier will fight long and hard for a bit of colored ribbon. The art of government is not to let me grow stale. History is the version of past events that people have decided to agree upon. The strong man is the one who is able to intercept at will the communication between the senses and the mind. Men are moved by two levers only: fear and self-interest. Never interrupt your enemy when he is making a mistake. In war, the moral is to the physical as 3 is to 1. The battlefield is the most rewarding of classrooms. Power is my mistress. I have worked too hard at her conquest to allow anyone to take her away from me. 10 people who speak make more noise than 10,000 who are silent. The best way to keep one's word is not to give it. I can no longer obey. I have tasted command, and I cannot give it up. The word impossible is not in my dictionary. Men are more easily governed through their vices than through their virtues. There is no such thing as accident. It is fate misnamed. Ability is of little account without opportunity. The only way to lead people is to show them a future. A leader is a dealer in hope. The fool has one great advantage over a man of sense. He is always satisfied with himself. Take time to deliberate, but when the time for action has arrived, stop thinking and go in. Never ascribe to malice that which is adequately explained. By incompetence, the world suffers a lot, not because of the violence of bad people, but because of the silence of good people. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.